we are revising light, shadows and reflection. So the first chapter that we are going to study is define luminous body. What do you understand by luminous body?
Object like the sun would give out or illuminate light or their own are called luminous objects.
Very good.
Object which has heat and light.
The correct answer is the objects which emit light of their own are called luminous bodies. जो ऑब्जेक्ट खुद की लाइट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? ल्यूमिनस बॉडीज बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द सन, द स्टार्स एटसेट्रा. आपने ये सब पढ़े थे, रिमेम्बर?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The next question. Yes, the next question is what are non-luminous objects? Luminous and non-luminous object. Anyone can answer?
Ma'am, the object. Ma'am, the object that do not produce their own light.
The correct answer is non-luminous objects. Objects that do not give out light of their own are known as non-luminous objects. For example, the moon, the chair, shoe, pen, etc. And luminous objects क्या होते हैं? Objects that give out or emit light of their own. For example, sun, torch, light, bulb, etc. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next question is define opaque objects with example. Do you know what are opaque objects?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer it.
Yes, ma'am. If you cannot keep the objects are all opaque objects, this object cannot
Okay.
object.
One by one. Answer one by one. So the answer is those materials which do not allow light to pass through them. आपने पढ़ा था क्लास में कि जो ऑब्जेक्ट खुद में से या अपने में से जो लाइट पास अलाउ नहीं करते हैं, ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट्स को आप क्या कहते हो? वी कॉल देम ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट्स. कैन यू एग्जाम्पल एनी? कोई एग्जाम्पल बता सकते हो ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट का? Yes. Very good. So you know that wood, stone. Yes, these are all examples. Wood, stone, etc. are the examples of opaque object. Now come to the next question. The next question is what are translucent objects? कौन सा question है? What are translucent objects?
Translucent objects always light to pass through them partially.
Very good. Beta, one by one. You have to answer one by one. So the correct answer is, just wait for a while. So it is the screen is hanging very much. So do not worry. I'm not able to show you the question on the screen, but I hope कि आप लोग इस पे देख पाओगे. So the first question is, there is a light on earth even on a dark cloudy day. This is because clouds are option A opaque, option B transparent, option C translucent and option D luminous. So what is the correct answer?
Translucent.
Yes, the correct answer is option C, translucent. यहाँ पे आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन वेरी गुड. यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेनेशन भी दिया हुआ था. मैं आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन को फिर से दिखा दे रही हूँ. When you will see the video, you will note it down. आप जब वीडियो देखोगे तो आप इसको लिख लोगे, ठीक है? The next question is consider the following statement and choose the incorrect one. आपको क्या करना है? आपको 4 स्टेटमेंट दिया हुआ है और आपको इसमें से इनकरेक्ट कौन सा है उसको फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज सन इज अबाउट 150 मिलियन किलोमीटर्स away from us, its light makes the daytime bright on the earth. ये पहला statement है. Second statement is those sources of light which occurs in nature as such are called natural sources of light. Option C is those sources of light which have been made by man are called man-made sources of light or artificial sources of light. And option D is the sun and the moon are example of luminous object. So which of these is an incorrect statement? Can you answer? Which one is incorrect? Class 6, am I audible or not? Oh God, TV is not working. So TV is not working, but still I am discussing these questions. You all have to note down the answers. Answer of second question is option D. Option D is incorrect because you know that moon is not a luminous object, and the last statement was the sun and the moon are example of luminous objects. That's why option D is incorrect. And you can see the explanation also. The moon is a non-luminous object which does not have its own light, but the sun is a luminous source of light. Actually, we can see the moon because it reflects sunlight into our eyes. In generally, when the sunlight falls on the surface of moon, then some of the sunlight is reflected by the moon towards the earth. आपको पता है ना, जब हमने बताया था क्लास में कि जो सन होता है, सन से लाइट मून के ऊपर फॉल करती है और मून उसको क्या करता है, रिफ्लेक्ट बैक करता है. तब हमें लगता है कि मून जो है वो भी अपनी खुद की लाइट दे रहा है, बट दिस इज नॉट ट्रू बिकॉज मून के पास खुद की कोई लाइट नहीं होती है. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज अ नॉन luminous object. Okay, these are the which of the following are translucent material? So there are four kind of material which are given: air and ground glass and clouds, air and clouds, and option D, ground glass and aluminium sheet. You know about translucent materials. Translucent materials are those materials which partially allowed to pass through them. So you can see the options from here and can find out that which is the correct option. Option B, ground glass and clouds. अभी आपने ऊपर वाले क्वेश्चन पढ़ा भी था कि जो clouds होते हैं they are translucent material. Okay, so you can see the explanation also. The materials like butter paper, oil paper, tissue paper, sheet of white cotton, ground glass which is known as frosted glass, etc. and clouds etc. are translucent material. They allow only a part of light falling on their surface to pass through them, as we cannot see clearly through a translucent material. So this was the answer of this question. You have to note down this question in your copy. Plane mirror is not in your course. Which of the following characteristic is not exhibited by the shadow of an object? आपको shadow of an object बताया था. Right side up, same color as object, can be formed on a screen, can be brighter or bigger than the object. You know that. इसका ऑप्शन क्या होगा? ऑप्शन बी. क्या आपने कभी शैडो सेम कलर के ऑब्जेक्ट की देखी है? नो, द शैडो इज ऑलवेज इन डार्क कलर. शैडो कलर हमेशा कैसा होता है? डार्क कलर का होता है. दैट इज व्हाई दिस स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट. सो हियर फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन सी दैट the shadow of an object has the different characteristics. As the shadow of an object is erect, the shadow can be smaller than the object, equal to the object, or bigger than the object. The shadow of an object is real irrespective of the color of the object. कलर चाहे कुछ भी हो, अगर आप ट्री का इमेज भी देखोगे and you can see the image of your hand, all will be of which color? They always will be of black color. Is it clear? So from here you can understand that shadow का कलर हमेशा कैसा होता है, ब्लैक कलर का ही होता है. Now come to the next question. Paheli observed the shadow of a tree at 8 a.m., 12 noon and 3 p.m. 3 different times पे पहेली ने एक shadow देखी है tree की. Which of the following statement is closer to her observations about the shape and size of the shadow? The shape of the shadow of the tree changes but the size remains same. The size of the shadow of the tree changes but the shape remains same. Both size and shape of the shadow of the tree changes. Neither the shape or the size of the shadow changes. आपको मैंने पहले ही बताया था कि जब ऐसा होता है, आपको पता है ना, डिफरेंट टाइम्स पे क्या होता है, शैडो जो बनती है उसका साइज डिफरेंट होता है, पर इसका क्या आपका जो आपने देखा है, जो आपकी बॉडी, आपके जो भी ट्री या ऑब्जेक्ट होगा वो आपको ऐसे ही थोड़ा सा झुका हुआ या फिर आगे की तरफ दिखता है. सो आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. Both the size and shape of the shadow of the tree will be changed because at 8 a.m. and 3 p.m. the length of the shadows of tree will be longer than its actual length and point to the west and the east direction. आपको दोनों अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में दिखेंगे. एक बार आपको ईस्ट की डायरेक्शन में झुका हुआ ट्री दिखेगा, दूसरी बार आपको वेस्ट की डायरेक्शन में झुका हुआ ट्री दिखेगा. However, at 12 noon the sun will be high in the sky just above the tree, so the shadow will be a shorter size. आपकी शैडो कैसी होगी, बहुत छोटे साइज की होगी. In a quiz, the next question is, in a quiz competition you are asked a question where you have to choose the statement which is or which are correct. The dark part of the shadow is called umbra. The partial dark part of the shadow is called penumbra. Irrespective of the color of the objects, the shadow is always black and all of the above. So आपने shadows के बारे में वैसे आपके सिलेबस में थोड़ा ही है, but all the 4 statements are correct. तो यहाँ से आप ये भी समझ सकते हो ये चारों ही statements क्या हैं, correct हैं regarding shadow. So today due to some difficulty on Teams we are not able to take the whole class properly. But I hope from tomorrow onwards we will revise the chapter one by one each topic. So please do revise all the question answer. I will give you a worksheet during WhatsApp class time and you all have to solve it. Okay? Thank you class.